This side.
Hopefully there were.
Nikki, what we doing?
Oh, say hi!
Oh! Who the heck are they?
Wow, that was super fun.
Oh!
Look at those cute boots and shoes. Glitter shoes, Tasha.
Oh, don't show me.
Oh, look at
Those said $10.
Did you see those little cute moccasins?
No. Oh.
We need to go back to that store.
What was it?
I don't know, the shoe store.
It's towards Dillard's.
Okay.
No, please don't.
Yes.
I'm the same way. No, don't take me there because I will buy something.
I will
Buckle
die.
is hiring for the holidays.
Oh, I need a job.
Thank you.
You don't want to work at Buckle?
No. I worked at retail one time and I wanted to do it.
We need to go there.
Yes.
Look, here's Santa. Look, Santa's right there. Look. My legs are like squishing each other. Oh, look at the cute elves. I love the elves. They're really cute. No, he's right there, Jess.
Oh my gosh, look! Santa's gonna be out this way.
No, he's getting in the car.
Ho, ho, ho.
I think it's in the way.
Santa's
Santa's
super
in the
fun.
train. How funny. I
All the
don't
cameras. I have all these cameras in my
I'm gonna get my hands snapped.
I so hope I don't drop my phone.
There's Santa!
Look, there's Santa. I hope someone gets Santa.
I got him.
Look, Santa's
Are gonna
waving.
freak out.
We gotta see the real Santa.
We are like the most crazy. Which way? Oh, he's getting. Where's Santa going?
Going this way. Where's he
There's
going?
Santa.
Oh
my gosh. Is he
Hi,
gonna come?
Santa.